So it's the first job that we have for today. Gotta remove this furnace because we're gonna remodel the closet. And yeah, we're in little Tokyo over here. Alright guys, so the first thing I do is I disconnect the power. And always make sure you take pictures. I already took off the thermostat wiring. Try to put everything neat so that when you put it back on, I mean, we're gonna keep this unit. We're just gonna reinstall it after they remodel the closet. But we just do the electricity first, and then I'm gonna cut the drain lines. Then I'm gonna go to the roof to the condenser unit and back up all the refrigerant, close the king valves, and then I'm gonna cut the lines. Instead of recovering the whole unit, you just back up as much as you can, close the condenser unit, the king valves, and recover whatever's in the line set, but you shouldn't have much in the line set. That's a little safety when you're working with electricity. Make sure you have your breaker close by and shut it off, and always verify. You can use this little, I use this little volt detector pen, but you can also put your leads, test your leads. But I know there's no power there already, so just always check, because you can get hurt. This is where I'm working at right now. It's like a Japanese townhome or something, but they got these Japanese gardens with some fish in it. Pretty nice. Like Japanese plants, I guess. Pretty cool. Two weddings. All right, we need to go to the roof. Check out my service bag. Hopefully we don't need anything too crazy up here, but we're just gonna back up the refrigerant on the roof. Okay, we found the roof. We're like close to downtown. Now I just gotta look for the unit, condensing unit. I hope they're labeled. If not, we're gonna have to call the maintenance guy. He knows all of them by heart. But let's see, hopefully we find the one we're looking for. If anybody knows where we're at, put it on the comment. Let me know. If you know downtown, you should know where this is. It's the Office Depot over there, the Starbucks. It's the metro station, the metro headquarters over there. We took it off. We just gotta take the All plano.